In this video, you'll learn how to send TRON from OKX to your Telegram wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer TRON and ensure your funds are securely sent to the correct location. To begin, open your Telegram app and navigate to your wallet. Locate the option labeled Wallet at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Once the wallet interface is open, find and tap on Receive, then select TRON or TRX from the list of available cryptocurrencies. This action will lead you to a screen displaying your TRON wallet address. On this screen, you will see your TRON address prominently displayed. Carefully copy this address by tapping the copy icon or selecting the address and using the copy function on your device. It is crucial to ensure that you are using the TRON network, specifically the TRC20 standard, as this is necessary for a successful transfer. If your Telegram wallet shows a memo or tag, copy that as well, as some wallets may require it, although TRON usually only needs the address. Next, open your OKX wallet app. Once the app is launched, navigate to the Assets tab located at the bottom of the screen. From there, scroll through your assets until you find TRON, or you can use the search function to quickly locate TRON, or T-Access, tap on it to access. In the TRON wallet interface, look for the option labeled Send and tap on it. A new screen will appear, prompting you to paste the Telegram TRON address you copied earlier. Carefully paste the address into designated field. After pasting the address, enter the amount of TRON you wish to send. If you copied a memo or tag from Telegram, make sure to enter it in the corresponding field, as this may be necessary for the transaction to complete successfully. Once you have entered all the required information, tap on Confirm or Send. You will then be prompted to enter your wallet password to authorize the transfer. Input your password and confirm the action to initiate the transfer. After this step, the transfer process will begin. TRX transfers are typically processed instantly or may take a few minutes, depending on network conditions. To verify the transfer, check your Telegram wallet and look at your balance to ensure the TRON has been received. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.